Evening, children. Today I am discussing the effects of microorganisms under the class under the chapter 2 microorganisms friends or foe of class 8 science. Friendly or useful microorganisms. First, commercial use. Production of alcohol and wine from natural sugar like wheat, rice, etc. with the help of yeast. Natural sugar with the help of yeast converted into alcohol. This process is called fermentation. Second is pasteurization, that is heat and cold treatment. Pasteurization used in dairy industries. Pasteurization process is invented by Louis Pasteur. In pasteurization, strong heating of milk up to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and suddenly chilled down to destroy bacteria of the milk. It prevents milk from souring. Then it is sent to the market for selling the milk in packets. Famous brands of pasteurized milk are Sudha, Amrit, Ashirvad, etc. Third, medicinal use, that is antibiotic. First is antibiotic. First antibiotic, penicillin, is prepared by Alexander Fleming from Penicillium, a fungus, for which he was awarded with Nobel Prize for medicine. Next, medicinal use. It is for making vaccines. Example, polio vaccines, oral, smallpox vaccine, BCG, hepatitis A, B, rubella, rabies vaccine, etc. Antibody. Now I want to discuss the term antibody. Antibody is a chemical substance generally extracted from microorganisms that identified the particular invader or germs when it enters into the body of person having injected antibody previously. Vaccine is prepared from this particular antibody for particular disease. Third, use of microorganism in the agricultural field. A. Nitrogen fixation, that is a biological nitrogen fixation. Example, blue-green algae, also called cyanobacteria, Anabaena, Rhizobium, nitrifying bacteria, etc. These microorganisms fixes nitrogen and increase the fertility of the soil. This is called biological nitrogen fixation. Next is environment cleaning. Denitrifying bacteria are our environment's free cleaners. It cleans the environment surrounding by changing dead body parts of organism into its elemental form or simpler forms, and which fulfill our future needs. Third is the next is harmful or foe microorganisms. Some microorganisms causes diseases. These disease causing or germ or microorganisms are called pathogens. In human, plants and animals, microorganisms cause many diseases like malarial fever, polio, smallpox, dog bite, rabies, HIV causing AIDS, human immunodeficiency virus causing AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, rubella, typhoid fever, kala jar, diarrhea, cholera, cough and cold. At present, corona is very deadly. In plants, rust in wheat, blight in potato, citrus canker, etc. Now do these questions. First, write any two diseases along with their vaccines. Second, name any two microbes that can fix the nitrogen or increase the fertility of the soil. The next useful pathogen is next the effect of microorganisms is to preserve the food. Method of food preservation: heat and cold treatment. Previously it is discussed. This is pasteurization of milk. Adding common salt to preserve meat, fish, etc. Third is adding sugar to make and prepare jam and jelly. Fourth, adding oil and vinegar, pickle, fermented cucumber, achar, etc. Fifth, using chemical preservatives. Specimens of animals are preserved by using chemicals in biolab and in junior science lab, etc. Sixth, proper storage and packaging. Lay's, Kurkure, etc. ready-made food packets, packed sweets, etc. are for selling and using in a limited day, 7 days or 15 days. Now, question for assignment 1, 2, 3, 4th. We will meet in next video. Thanks.